In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access ChatGPT when it's blocked in your country. Whether you're trying to harness the power of AI for learning, productivity, or just plain curiosity, encountering blocking restrictions can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's verify if ChatGPT is indeed blocked for you. Head over to your browser and type in chat.openai.com. If you see a message stating ChatGPT is not available in your country, or if the website doesn't load and you get a site not found message, then it's confirmed that the service is restricted for your location. It's always a good idea to double-check these things before proceeding with any further steps, just to ensure it's not a temporary glitch or connectivity issue. Once you've confirmed that ChatGPT is blocked, the next step is to use a VPN, or virtual private network. The VPN will mask your IP address, making it appear as if you're accessing the internet from a different location where ChatGPT is available. To do this, download a trusted VPN service. There are many options out there, both free and paid, so take a moment to find one that suits your needs. Make sure you select a reputable provider to ensure your data remains secure and private. After downloading, follow the installation instructions, which are usually straightforward. Once installed, open the VPN application and connect to a server in a country where ChatGPT is available. Countries like the United States, Canada, or most European nations generally have no restrictions, so they can be good options to connect through. Now that your VPN is up and running, it's time to go back to chat.openai.com. Since your IP address now appears as if it's from another country, you should be able to access the site. If you're setting up an account for the first time, follow the on-screen prompts to register. This typically involves filling out some basic information such as an email address and setting up a password. Verification through your email may be required, so do check your inbox. On the other hand, if you've already registered and you're just trying to log in, enter your credentials and you should be good to go. After successfully logging in, you can start using ChatGPT as you normally would. Engage in conversations, ask questions, and explore its vast potential for generating responses on a wide array of topics. The VPN will continue to provide you with access so long as it remains connected. And there you have it. You're now ready to utilize ChatGPT, regardless of those pesky location-based restrictions. If you found this tutorial helpful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching,